permanent residence and citizenship.
So doon sa unang interview nyo, ano yung mga tinanong sa inyo?
Confidential po ang proceedings, so I cannot tell you. But I can tell you, I submitted documents as high as this to prove political persecution.
Okay.
I submitted documents as high as this.
So hindi mo na roommate yung Afghani na sinasabi mo?
Wala na, linipat na siya actually. Linipat siya and I miss him. Wala na akong roommate nung linipat siya, hindi na ako nagkaroon ng
So sinasabi niyo ngayon na talagang babalik na lang kayo on your second interview?
Kasi yung second interview naman is, well, marami kong pinangakuan doon na tutulungan ha. So, I will honor my word naman. Kasi nakakabag na ang dami-dami doon na hindi alam ang gagawin sa kanilang first interview. No? So nangako naman ako that I will assist them.
Ibig niyo po sabihin yung mga asylum seekers doon na tutulungan ninyo?
Marami ako tinutulungan ngayon, asylum seekers. Kasi they have no idea what to expect sa interview. At yung first interview naman is preliminary interview lang to indicate kung bakit ano yung dahilan mo na ikay kumukuha ng asylum. I'm sorry, who are you?
Joe Felpo from the Filipino Correspondent Network.
I see, oo.
So yun, doon po sa tinutulungan yon, alam ba to ng IND na you are going to help them as a counsel, as a lawyer?
No, I'm just helping them because I'm a human rights defender, no? So I'm always explaining what their rights are as asylum seekers. Dahil karamihan naman doon hindi talaga nakakaintindi ng salita ng either English or na mabuti sa English na nag-Google Translate pa kami.
Is this like a prelude to what a possible job here?
Well,
in The Hague or
let's
in
just
the
say
Netherlands?
that people of my background na matagal nang gumagalaw sa larangan ng international law human rights, palaging merong pangangailangan ng iba't ibang klaseng tao. Yes, that could be a possible employment that I could find here, no?
Attorney, doon sa rules kasi, normally, na habang pending yung iyong application for asylum, dapat nandoon ka sa COA facilities. Ano yung sinabi sa'yo ng IND with regards to the rules na you are allowed to go out or live outside the facilities?
Well, hindi po. Allowed po kaming gumalaw while during the facility hanggang first interview. After the first interview, you indicate kung kinakailangan mo ng housing o hindi. And I have indicated naman na hindi ko kailangan ng housing. And they have asked for the name of the family that I will stay with. I've given them all these details.
So yung pagka hinanap ka, doon ka hanapin sa family in case that you...
All the communication is addressed to that family. At saka, hindi po kami pwede mag-abscond because we have surrendered all our travel documents.
Including your passport?
Including my passport, including my driver's license.
So hanggang Zealand ka na lang hindi makakapunta sa labas ng
Well, I don't think it's prohibited. Kaya lang, pag tinawag ka at hindi ka dumating, mawawala yung slot mo for the second interview and that's the most important interview.
How many interviews will there be?
2.
Okay.
So
After that, pwede nang mabigyan?
Then they decide.
They decide.
And then,
After how
depending
long,
on the
sir?
decision, you have judicial review.
How long will that take?
Matagal. They're saying minimum 6 weeks ang second interview.
Okay.
Pero sa more like longer than 6 weeks.
Kung halimbawa ma-facilitate ng mabilis yan, attorney, at sabi, okay, yan, pwede mag-stay dito. Ano naman yung plan B, plan C, or option?
I'll get there when I get there. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
Sige,
Thank you so much.
Sir, habol ako. Wala po kanina.
Kasalanan ko ba yun?
Habol lang. Sir, just a question lang tungkol sa ayaw mag-open. Ayan. Kung sakaling ma-hear yung argument ng jurisdictional argument na ipafile ni Attorney Kaufman, ibig sabihin mo nun, hindi na matutuloy yung confirmation of charges?
Of course. Dahil kung wala ng jurisdiction, wala ng basihan para ipagpatuloy ang pagdinig ng kaso.
So, it's a make or break pala kung sakaling ma-hear ka agad yun?
Yes, and I have no doubts it will be granted kasi nagkaroon na ng initial decision ng ICC sa Burundi case. Na sa Burundi, pinagpatuloy ang preliminary investigation kasi nasimulan siya within the 1-year period after withdrawal. No? Dito sa atin, second year na bago humingi ng permiso para sa preliminary investigation.
Okay. Sige po. Thank you.
Pero, attorney, you are nakikipag-usap ka ba kay Mr. Kaufman regarding the strategies? Tinatanong ka ba niya?
Oo.
Right now, hindi. Nung initial, yes. Pero umalis siya, tapos kahapon lang siya bumalik from Israel.
Sabi niya kasi kahapon, may finishing touches na lang daw yung formation of the
Legal team.
We also see na meron siyang kasamang counsel na babae.
Meron talaga. Parang case manager yung babaeng bumibisita rito, di ba? Oo.